Okay guys, well today I'm going to have a go at picking a car door lock. This is my car, which is a 2000 model year Renault Scenic. This will be my first attempt. I'm going to use my round dyno tension tool and one of my Clom auto picks. So I'm going to give it a go. I'll just show you that it is locked. It's open. Locked. And there we go, that was my first car door picked. Thanks for watching, keep watching, so we'll be posting some more videos soon. Please leave comments and please rate the video. Cheers.